What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, and for today's video, we got one of the longest sneaker names in history. These are the Virgil Abloh Archives Air Jordan 1s Alaskas. It might not be the longest name in history, but if you know one that's even longer than this, drop it in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. On Mondays, we drop customs and restorations with our guy, Vic Almighty, and every Thursday, we drop Shoe Care Academy videos like you're seeing today. I got that Vic Almighty exclusive hat on, so I gotta channel my inner Vic Almighty energy. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it, so let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, guys, before we really get into it, let me go ahead and just set this to aside for before and after purpose. And we do want to go ahead and clean up this station as well as this shoe. Rather than grabbing our products and start pushing all this mud deeper into the material, and we got some deep layers in this material, but I'll talk a little about that later on. Let's go ahead and step outside and bang off some of this dirt. All right, let's get down and dirty. All right, guys, I'm back. I went ahead and had our intern clean up our workstation as well as get all the tools that we are gonna be needing for today's cleaning. I've been with RESHOEVN8R for so long, I can't even count, and I've cleaned up countless pairs of shoes. And one of the most hardest sneakers to clean, in my opinion, is any off-white. And that is because of just the layering, especially on this toe box. If cleaned incorrectly, you're not gonna get some desired results. That toe box is just gonna look extremely dingy, as well as you can fray the holes on the toe box. Just go ahead and get a close-up. You can already see, just from naturally wearing the shoes, you can already see those holes starting to fray. That's why we're gonna clean this shoe with the utmost care and use our RESHOEVN8R Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. This kit is our patent sneaker laundry system that is designed to flush out these sneakers from the inside and out, and is especially gonna help on the side paneling as well as the collar of this sneaker. Plus, it's gonna come with all three of our signature brushes, your soft, medium, and stiff. The soft bristle brush is gonna be crucial, so that way we don't fray the toe box even more than it already is. But with all that being said, we can go ahead and just grab our shoe tree, get it inside the sneaker, and get to work. All right, let's get these laces, set those aside. One cool thing about these sneakers is they actually come with several different laces. We chose to wear the white ones just because those get the most dirty, but they also came with a purple, kind of like an off-white, and even like a bluish color. Virgil definitely did his thing when it came to lace design. Regardless of what off-white sneaker you were picking up in the past, it always came with a handful of different laces. With that being said, rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. Looks like the intern went ahead and forgot my solution. Oh wait, here it is. Only need a couple squirts. This stuff is highly concentrated. Start this cleaning process off. We are gonna use our soft bristle brush and just start cleaning the whole sneaker completely and fully. One thing I do wanna highlight though, is again, we did go outside and help get off majority of that dirt and grime. However, we're still seeing a lot of dirt and grime still trapped in on the shoe, mostly on that midsole and on those mesh panelings. This Jordan 1 Alaska is based off Virgil Abloh's original Air Jordan 1 concept before the 10 even became famous. Virgil Abloh's first idea was an all-white deconstructed Air Jordan. This was the prototype for the Air Jordans we've seen in 2018, the Chicago, and the UNC. All right, guys, I just cleaned half the sneaker. Let's go ahead and get just a side-by-side comparison. So as you guys can see, that mesh, it didn't do anything. Again, basically all I did was really push the dirt deeper and deeper, since the shoe is literally designed to be layers stacked on top of layers, stacked on top of layers. As well as the stitching, you know, the stitching came back a little bit, but the laundry system is really gonna flush that out. Just wanted to give you guys a quick side-by-side before I jump on over to the other side. This sneaker right here is actually designed off the Europe exclusive Air Jordan 1. It keeps the same signature deconstructed off-white design language. Key details include the exposed foam, unfinished edges, stitched overlays, and the offset swoosh. However, the biggest branding change is instead of off-white, we're seeing that VAA for Virgil Abloh Archives. This is actually the first VAA sneaker we're seeing. However, we just got that World Cup sneaker, and to me, that was my favorite out of the series that they dropped. Let us know in the comment section down below, do you like what they're doing by continuing Virgil's legacy, or do you think it's just a money grab? All right, our medium bristle brush does have a little stiffer bristles than our soft bristle brush. However, it is pretty dense, so I'm not gonna put that on this toe box because I don't want to fray it. Like I keep saying, I'm telling you, this is notorious for ripping and just getting hella ugly, and I'm not trying to do that to this sneaker. As you guys can see, I already jumped over to our stiff bristle brush to take care of that midsole for some deeper staining, but now gotta hit the bottom. All right guys, those soles got a nice little scrub-a-dub-dub. These sneakers are almost ready for bath time. However, before we put them in the washing machine, I'm gonna go ahead and grab our sneaker laces that I got chilling over on the side. We gotta give them some love as well. One thing I do wanna highlight about that sneaker is it's super porous. The mesh material literally just soaked in so much liquid because I don't even got anything left. But what I am gonna do with the leftover water is just swoosh it around with the shoelaces, put it in my hands back and forth, create some of that friction, grab your soft bristle brush, just keep on scrubbing. You do want to be careful with these laces specifically because it does have that shoelace off-white print. Over time, over age, over cleaning and scrubbing, that text is just bound to come off. All right, and just like that, these sneakers are off to the washing machine. We're gonna wash them with cold water on a normal cycle, and we're gonna get some great results. All right, guys, we are back. It has been 24 hours. Let me go ahead and bring in their shoe so you can see the type of results we're working with. I do wanna be 100% transparent. We did have to clean this shoe extra. After that first wash, the shoes dried. I came back this morning, I saw that the toe box and this side section still had some deeper staining. It's a cool design. However, this sneaker can definitely be a little more challenging to clean. Before we lace these things up and sign out of here, let me go ahead and just take care of this suede panel section you see right here. All right, we got that suede nice, soft, and buttery. All that's left is to lace these sneakers up. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit that is available at RESHOEVN8R.com, but you don't even have to leave YouTube. You guys can just link in the bio and shop directly there. A few things I want to highlight is this sneaker is just designed to age, get destroyed, and get dirty. I don't know where it was or what the quote was, but Virgil Abloh would want you just to wear your sneakers. However, if you like pristine kicks like we do, just know the signature shoe cleaning kit is going to come in clutch. A couple areas I do want to highlight is really just that toe box. Again, I mentioned it several times throughout the video. You're just gonna get natural fraying. This sneaker, again, over time is just gonna get yellow. However, if you like your kicks pristine just like us, just know RESHOEVN8R got you covered. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. We'll catch y'all on another one. Peace. Adios, muchachos.